push up on it like that. You see? Boom, boom. This connector's right there. You should take off slowly. Do not mess this shit up. So hold it up. See the connector? Pull that down and take it out. Push down. Push down. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just like that. Same thing for this one right here. For your cigarette lighter, squeeze down, wiggle back. Now we can remove the middle console. Well then. Okay, so if you want to change the modules, right here, you got unscrew this here, unscrew right there. 12s, 10 here, 10 over here. Okay, if you want to do it. Okay, this one right here. Okay, once you take off this 10 right here, slowly wiggle it up. Okay, put that somewhere. Now, before you remove this, make sure your negative battery is off, just in case. Okay, when you unplug the battery, not unplug, when you take off the terminal, the negative terminal off the battery, I like waiting, like, 15 minutes, half hour. The longer the better. So, everything is off. You know what I'm saying? So, let's continue with this. This is a 10. This is a 12. Definitely 12. 12, 10, 12, 12. Okay, let's take these off. Since the 10 is on the gun already, let's remove the 10 first. Okay, and this one. Okay, let's take these off. Boom, 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 and boom. Okay, put these there. Now there's 3 connectors on there. Remove, straight down. Okay. Yeah, I needed 2 hands to take that off. But yeah, there's 3 connectors for the airbag. Boom, boom. Alright, and that's it. Okay. See, I already put this back, it's the 3 connectors in the back of the module. Put it back, bolts, 12s, 10s, put those bolts on. This bolt back there. See, that's the bolt right there. That's the last one. Right here, that's the 12 bolt. Right there. Screw this on. Put this on top of it. Okay, now put your screws, 2 screws. Okay, now we can put the middle console down and plug these in. Plug these, cigarette lighter, USB. Don't want to miss those. Plug in your bottom connectors, your USB, and your cigarette lighter. Now put this console down slowly. Let's get this cord right here. Put it through here. It goes through here. Just like that. And now let's push this forward. Just like that. Boom, boom. Okay, make sure these line up here. Right here for the screws. And this connects over here.
Now don't forget your vent. This one right here. Or this one you have to take out. Goes right here. Okay, see? Fitting these little slots over here that's on this metal thing. Same thing with this side. Make sure there's no gaps in there. Okay, now let's put those 2 screws. Okay, see? We tighten these bolts down. Now, let's put the cover that's on here. The vent. This. Plug it in. Right here. Okay. Just like that. Now let's put this back on there. Push down on it. There you go. Just like that. Now let's go to the front and finish that one.
Okay. You put your 2 bolts here. I already did mine. 2 screws right there. Now let's put the screen at the screen, you know, for this temperature and all that. Face. Let's put that in. You gotta put it in your connectors. 1, 2, 3. Right here. Put those there. And don't forget this one. Little one. Goes right here. Right behind here. Okay. These on right here. I already put them on. Now let's put this on here carefully. Make sure when you go in, you push up on it. Just like that. No gaps. Let's put those 2 screws. Okay, like I said, if you wanted, you could just, you don't have to take this off. Now let's put the gearbox cover over here. This connector that's on there, this white one, if you forget where it goes right here, right there. Now let's put the cigarette lighter one on there, and do the back too. There's a 3 that goes over here for your heated seats and your snow. Okay, I connected those 3, 4, 5. Okay, when you put it in, make sure you tuck it under like this and put it down. Okay, now let's move this shifter up. Okay, once you move it up, now let's put the face that goes here. Not the face, but you know, the cover that goes over these bolts. Just like this. Goes just like this. Boom. Push up on it so it clicks on there. When that clip I told you not to lose, this thing, you're gonna put the top on there. Face down. Like this. Go down. Now this goes like this. Goes upwards. Like this. Boom. Like that. Put it in there. Once you do that, like that, boom. Push this up. Okay, should be good. Make sure everything works. You check this, check this, check this. And that was it for the middle console. Easy peasy. And I throw in the the module in there, just in case anybody want to know how to take that off. Just in case they want to take it out, do whatever you gotta do to it. And yeah, man, that is it. So, you already know, man. If I helped you out, give me a thumbs up. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics, and do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe and subscribe. Later.